But today is like, man, it's a quick, simple, easy meal. It's better than Chinese takeout. Probably less the time. Cause let's be honest, we don't always got time to be dredging no chicken, doing all the other good stuff, marinate. Man, we ain't got time for all that shit, man. We don't got time. So that's what we're gonna do. This is definitely for you ones that be in that freezer section, looking at that Chinese takeout, or the Chinese dish in that freezer bag, and you gonna go home and put it in the microwave or the pot. Yeah, this for you people right here. Listen, you don't gotta do that. I'm gonna give you a quick and simple, easy way, man. We ain't need no grease. We're gonna usually need an oven or air fryer, man. Preferably air fryer. If you ain't got no air fryer, put that thing in the oven. I'm gonna show you how to make up a quick sauce for it, and we're gonna put it together. This it's gonna seem like it came from Chinese takeout, but it didn't. You know what I'm saying? But it didn't. If you made it at home, it's better than Chinese takeout. Sometimes we don't know what they be putting that stuff in that Chinese stove. We all can agree, but we eat it anyway, right? So chicken bouillon flavor. Listen, like, you don't want to use a lot of that, because the rest of the stuff I already saw. We got some brown sugar, some orange juice. That's up to you. Got soy sauce, some honey right there, some oyster sauce right here. You can see it, and then we're gonna have a little cornstarch to thicken that thing. Look at this, man. Listen, this chicken. I did add some Chinese 5 spice. That's what's gonna give it that little, as you would say. That's some fish oil. Fish oil to kind of add to the umami of the dish. I could be saying it wrong. You cooks out there, you let me know. But I think I man, Big Flava on a budget. Like I said, this whole thing probably cost me in the grocery store maybe about $13. I already had some rice here, so like a lot of stuff you probably got at the house. Like you probably got rice at the house. You probably got orange juice at the house, stuff like that. So maybe you had to get up. Some of you might even got peppers and onions at the house, but like for those of you like me, I use pepper and onions so much I had to get it all the time, so it's no problem to me. So maybe like $13. But I mean, if y'all can see what I got going on here, man, that's that chicken. That thing like it's straight out the Chinese store. You know it. You know it, do. You know it, do. But like I say, this the fun part for me, right? Definitely gonna taste better than takeout. And guess what? You made it yourself right at home for like under $13. And what's in your food, right? This one of them ones. You hear me? One of them ones. All right, man. So like, here we go. And I got a little sauced up. You know how I do. Man, this thing is spicy. It's sweet. It's a little salty. Hit all the right flavors. I'm telling you, like, this is one of them ones. That thing hot too, man. I know y'all see it. That's hot. Yeah, I know you want it. I know you see it. Come on, man. Hurry up. Like I say, your kids gonna love it. You gonna love it. Let me know in the comment section. Hey, Big Flava on the budget. Here to bring you all that flavor, gang. I'm out.